Are your stomach troubles causing you discomfort? You may have parasites. Parasites can live in your digestive system, causing various issues. Today, we'll explore how to clean your body of these unwanted guests. Follow these simple steps to detoxify your digestive system safely. First, recognize the symptoms of parasite infection. Symptoms include bloating, diarrhea, and fatigue. If you experience these, consult a healthcare professional. Next, focus on your diet. Increase fiber intake to help flush out parasites. Eat fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for better digestion. Consider natural remedies. Certain herbs like garlic and wormwood are known to help. Incorporating these can boost your body's defenses. Staying hydrated is crucial. Drink plenty of water daily. Hydration aids in flushing toxins and parasites from your system. Incorporating probiotics can restore gut health. These beneficial bacteria help balance your digestive system. Yogurt or probiotic supplements can be beneficial. Now let's take a closer look at an example. Imagine you start eating more fiber. You notice less bloating and more energy. That's your body healing itself. In summary, cleaning parasites from your digestive system involves recognizing symptoms, adjusting your diet, using natural remedies, hydrating, and adding probiotics. To further support your detox journey, consider adding certain lifestyle changes. Regular exercise can promote healthy digestion and strengthen your immune system. Even a daily walk can be beneficial, aiding circulation and overall well-being. Additionally, managing stress is essential. High stress can negatively impact your digestive health. Integrating relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation can enhance your detox efforts. Embrace these habits alongside your dietary adjustments for optimal results, and remember to be patient with yourself as your body works through the cleansing process. Ultimately, commitment to these changes can lead to long-lasting improvements in your digestive health and quality of life. It's also important to note that while making these changes, keeping a food diary can be highly beneficial. Recording what you eat allows you to identify patterns and recognize which foods may be triggering your symptoms. This awareness can empower you to make informed choices tailored to your unique digestive needs. Finding supportive communities, whether in person or online, can also be encouraging. Sharing experiences with others on similar journeys fosters motivation and provides valuable insights. Remember, everyone's body responds differently, so give yourself grace as you find the most effective path toward wellness. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, as each step brings you closer to feeling your best. Don't forget to consult with professionals before embarking on this journey. They can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific health needs. Collaboration with healthcare experts ensures safety and enhances your detoxification efforts. Your commitment to improvement is commendable. By following these strategies, you can effectively rid your body of parasites and restore your digestive health, leading to a more energetic and balanced life. Stay committed to your journey and trust that your efforts will result in a healthier, happier you.